Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can rename layers in your documents and designs on Affinity Designer. So let us get started. So let's navigate to design, and here to the right you will see the layers tab, and usually these layers get assigned names like, aligning with the content, right? So if it's text layer, you will see probably the text as the layer name here, or the shape or a background image, and so on and so forth. If you'd like to change that, what you will need to do, guys, is double click into it, and then you will see this option here, right? Name of object. So you can name it, for example, text layer, press enter, and that is now the new name of the layer. Or you can, for example, also navigate to layer here at the top, select rename layer while having the layer selected, and you can then change the name here. Excuse the typo here, so you correct that, click into OK. And that's the second option, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.